We are a software development company and an implementation services company. We do both of these activities. We focus very, very, very specifically on the Microsoft Dynamics AX human capital management space. Microsoft Dynamics AX is an ERP platform. We develop software for that particular area of Dynamics AX and then help our customers implement it. My background is in HR, strategic HR, and HR operations, very senior roles in some very large companies. I began to get involved with a company in Denmark called MindKey. They had reached out to me through a network and told me what they had. Their focus was on the mid-market. My experience was very large global companies, and the space for AX was really mid-market and global mid-market companies. So rather than kind of continue to pursue sort of strategic HR in large companies, I had an opportunity to join this smaller company, growing company, and begin to offer these kinds of capabilities to a different market. Kind of change things up a little bit, try a different strategy, different approach. My background in HR operations means that I've been involved in HR technology for many years, so I really understand how it works and how it's used, and I'm combining all that for Elevate HR. That's who we are, is HR. We come at it from that angle. We come at it from the functional and from the user side, if you will. We really deeply understand HR, and that absolutely differentiates us, the depth of knowledge in that particular space. The other thing that differentiates us is we wrote the software to begin with, right? So we're filling the holes. We know exactly what the software needs, and as Microsoft is evolving the platform, we now are able to really evolve our products to fill that particular space. The other thing that differentiates us is that as software developers, as a company that does this, packaged software, we are highly configurable. They can design their processes any way they want. They can make them as complex, as simple as they want. They can put them out on self-service for managers and for employees to use. They completely control it, and it's not the IT group that does this, it's HR. That's what differentiates us. Others in this space, if you will, who might be implementing or doing HR software for Dynamics AX really don't. It's essentially custom code. It's kind of different for every customer. That's not us. Ours is configurable, robust, deep software. This is not custom code. This is not going into a company and saying, what are your processes? We will create custom code for you and then maintain it for you for the rest of life, or kind of connect ourselves to your future in that way. It's software. We teach you how to configure it. You can do anything you want with it without modifying a single line of code. In this particular HCM area of AX, it's a unique approach. It's not in the world of software development, right? It's common, but we are applying this to this particular niche. So really from the very first days of the relationship with the product, which became AX, and Microsoft, we were there. So we know them very well. We have a very good history. We know how the software develops and evolves. And then we continue to have ongoing discussions with Microsoft, as many other partners and ISVs do. Ours is kind of built on this heritage and really built on this area of product development. So I do not want to develop software that they're developing. That doesn't make sense, right? And they don't want me to develop software that they're developing. So we are able to align sufficiently to understand where they're going and they understand where we're going, so we can kind of make sure that we operate in lockstep.